Okay, so today we're gonna drive to Gasa with my friends out here. Okay. The ride from Thimphu to Gasa is approximately 140 kilometers, which from Thimphu to Punakha is around 75 kilometers. You can see here the taxi is giving the right indicator. Well, basically here in Bhutan rules are slightly different. So if a vehicle gives you this kind of indicator, like in the right indicator, when the car is already coming from the front side, so it's basically informing the car behind who wants to overtake that you should not overtake because the car is coming. Whereas the same scenario I had in India, it is completely opposite, that you move ahead. We are now here at Dochula, 3,150 meters above sea level, Trukwangal Stupa, with our friends out here with the classic Himalayan TP, classic and classic. I hope you guys are enjoying along with us. We are having a good time. Unfortunately today I cannot show you the Himalayas. I mean the greater Himalayas, because we are already here in the Himalayas. We are here at Punakha. So normally during this season I used to be very busy, but due to pandemic COVID-19, so we are all taking off and then enjoying our ride. So you can see the beautiful Punakha fortress here. So this year is a vacation for all the tour guides in Bhutan, the biking tour guides. So halfway to Gasa, almost now. From Punakha, I think it's only around 54 kilometers now. So I just stopped by for to take picture of this waterfall. So this is on the way to Gasa from Punakha. So you can see the waterfall. So normally right now it's winter, so the waterfall looks very small. You have the Mochu river, very clean. just which snowed yesterday, so you can see this is Gasa. This is Gasa, so you can see the snowfall up there, snow up there, snow up there, and so this is a paddy field. Alright, thank you. To subscribe to my channel. Ride from Thimphu. So this is the reward we get to enjoy the hot spring, the natural hot spring of Gasa. So enjoy with my friends. Yay! This is heaven on earth. Is it hot?
Awesome.
Yeah, boy. How's the feeling, bro?
Yo. Subscribe to my welcome. Oh no. Welcome to my subscribe. You're having a good time.
Yes, bro.
Yeah. It's worth it.
Yes, it's worth it. Worth the long ride, man. So everyone is enjoying. Okay, so today we are very lucky that we can see the very few people out here, so enjoying the hot spring. Thank you for riding with me and enjoying the trip with me. Signing off from Gasa.